everybody, we're here on Thunder Run at Kentucky Kingdom. And I'll tell you, I've been riding this roller coaster for about 20 years, and it still holds up, man. It's a little rattly, it's a little bone jarring, but it is a hell of a lot of fun. All right, guys at home, throw your hands up in the air. Get ready for it. Oh God, here it comes. Oh, that's a great view of Storm Chaser over there. And the circle, I see a circle. All right, guys. Oh crap, I am not ready for this. I am not ready. Here we go. That was the tooth chipper there moment at the end. All right, here we go. Backseat of Thunder Run. And this is going to be wild. I can feel it. And when I say I can feel it, I can already feel the wooden shaking my butt around. Oh, man. You get a really nice view of the park from here. Check that out. Free, there's the water park. All right, guys, we're coming up to the top. Oh, I don't know if I'm ready for this. Backseat of Thunder Run, here we go. Holy crap, survived Thunder Run here at Kentucky Kingdom in the back seat. That was actually really damn good. You should ride it, and I think I'm going to ride it again.